grade 8. Let us look at the campus edition, the campus events starting from 1st July. Monday, the 1st July was National Doctors Day. Doctors Day provide an opportunity for society to acknowledge and appreciate the hard work, dedication and selflessness of doctors who work tirelessly to care for patients and save lives. It serves as a reminder for patients and communities to express gratitude to doctors who have made a positive impact on their life or the lives of their loved ones. Celebrating Doctors' Day can inspire our young people to pursue careers in medicine, recognizing it as a noble profession dedicated to helping others. Right to school. The school bus etiquette activity was arranged for grade 1 students, in which our juniors boarded the school bus and few of them showcased bus etiquettes which are to be followed while boarding and while travelling in the school bus. On 2nd July, math activity on place value was conducted for grade 2, where the children understood the place value using the materials from math lab. The place value of numbers such as units, tons and hundreds were taught to the kids. Science activity on internal organs for grade 2 was held, in which students make the models of the internal organs such as lungs, kidneys, heart, intestine, stomach duct and spoke about them. On 3rd July, math activity on time and clock for grade 3 was conducted. Children prepared the models of clocks showing different time on the clock. The children had fun juggling between the hour hand, minute hand and seconds hand. Kannada activity on creating a storyboard for grade 4 was arranged, in which students enjoyed creating stories on Tenali Ramakrishna using paper cuttings and printouts. The pictorial stories were amazing with different storylines. On 4th July, science activity on grouping of materials was organized for grade 6, in which students were asked to bring different materials and group them based on their properties. Math activity on triangles and quadrilaterals for grade 6 was conducted, in which children had fun while creating the shapes with different color papers. Kannada activity on life of Basavanna was conducted for grade 7, where students prepared placards of Basavanna and narrated the life and work of Basavanna. On 5th July, classroom behavior was exhibited in kindergarten, where our tiny tots enacted few classroom behaviors and the crowd answered whether it is good or bad classroom behavior. Children had great fun during the activity. Math activity on pie chart for grade 8 was held, in which students used color papers and colors to create various pie charts. English activity on syllabification for grade 8 was arranged, in which students had fun using the color papers and chart paper to create the syllabification chart. Social science activity using the bubble format for grade 10 was conducted, in which our student explained few parts from freedom movements such as Chauri Chaura, Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, Go Back Simon, Dandi March, events in India prior to our independence. Now, my friend Tanushree will take you through the campus views from 8th July.
Thank you, children. Namaste. I am Tanushree from grade 8A. To begin the day with, science activity on sense organs for grade 1 was held, in which students had made big placards of the sense organs such as eyes, nose, ear, tongue and skin. Children learned functions of sense organs through this activity. Hindi activity on identifying colors and objects was conducted for grade 1, in which children were asked to pick up the balls and objects of different colors and mention the color of the ball and the shape of the objects. Kids had lot of fun while playing with the color balls and objects. English activity on homophones was held for grade 2. Homophones are words which sound the same but have different spellings and different meanings. Children understood the definition of homophones and explained the meaning of homophones by holding handouts. Social activity for grade 3 was arranged in which children had a fun quiz about festivals of India where they learned about different types of festivals such as national festivals, religious festivals and harvest festival. Children actively participated by answering the question about sacrifice, celebration, food and tradition. Hindi role plays was organized by grade 7 students with the title Samajhdar Balak and Ghamandi Hathi. Students enacted the plays stunningly, which captured the attention of the audience. Kannada role play on Nammannu Badukalu Bidi by grade 5 was arranged, where children expressed their act on destructions caused by us to the nature and the other counterparts of nature who are being victimized due to this. English picture composition activity was held for grade 4 students in which students drew a Vidyashri High School picture and wrote an essay about the same. Hindi activity on story narration of Bhagavan Ka Bagicha was arranged by the students of grade 5 where the girls of the class narrated the story with colorful placards. Math activity on polygons was held for grade 4. Children had fun while drawing the polygons using the white paper and colors. Social science role play on dowry and child labor was displayed by grade 8. Students enacted the play well by expressing the negative thoughts in the society about the dowry and child labor. Kannada poster making activity on Doddavara Dari by grade 6 was arranged, where children created the posters about the great leaders of India. Science activity on motions and measurements was conducted as an outdoor activity in which students measured the distance of different places on the school ground. Math activity on square numbers was conducted for grade 8 in which children enjoyed square numbers using the edible biscuits. That's all for this fortnight. Thank you for watching. Remember to check our website and follow us on social media for more updates. Have a great day. This is Tanushree signing off from Vidyashri High School.